Hey my dudes, my name is Cecilia and welcome to my kitchen here in Stockholm, Sweden. I've been getting a lot of questions from friends and followers about cardamom buns. So in this video today, we're going to be talking about how to freeze your buns, how to defrost them, how to speed up proofing, how to make a day-old bun taste like it's fresh out of the oven, and then also how to store your buns. Let's get started.
How to freeze your buns.
Sometimes you just don't want to bake all of your buns off at once. Or maybe you're trying to prep ahead a little bit for visitors or for an event. If you don't want to bake your buns off the day that they're made, the best thing to do is to freeze them. They're going to last in the freezer for up to a week. Any longer than that and the yeast starts to die off, you can still bake them of course, but they're not going to rise as nicely and therefore they're not going to have the same nice chewy texture.
To freeze your unbaked buns, tray them up. You don't want them to touch, but they can be quite snug. Pop in the freezer until they are frozen solid. Then you can transfer them into bags and put back in the freezer until you're ready for them. How to defrost. When you're ready to bake them, there are a few options for defrosting. Take the frozen buns and put them on a baking tray as you normally would. You can put them in the fridge overnight and then proof them on the counter in the morning. Or you can leave them on the counter until they come up to room temperature and then proof fully outside. Once they're at room temp, you can use the oven trick. How to speed up proofing.
Okay, so what's the oven trick?
To create an instant proofing box, boil a shallow pan of water. Put it in an off oven with your buns. No plastic wrap needed. Check them every 15 minutes and reboil the water as necessary. And voila, your buns are proofed. Be careful not to get the oven too steamy or you'll melt the butter out of the buns. This isn't the worst thing that could happen, but it doesn't help the texture any.
Still good though.
How to reheat.
So you've baked off your buns and it's been a day or two. They're still good to eat, but they're a touch dry, a touch stale. Let's fix that.
To reheat a day-old bun, you can either microwave it or heat it in the oven. With both methods, brush with melted butter, then heat. Then brush with a bit of simple syrup. It'll taste like it just came out of the oven.
So good. From frozen, it'll take between 10 and 15 minutes in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. It's going to take about 45 seconds to a minute in the microwave, and then from room temperature, you're looking at 5 to 7 minutes in the oven and between 20 and 30 seconds in the microwave.
How to store your buns.
Finally, let's talk about storing your baked buns. If you're planning on eating them in 2 or 3 days, leave them in a plastic bag on the counter.
If it'll be longer than that, freeze them right away.
But never refrigerate them. It really dries them out and messes with the texture. If you guys have any other questions, then leave them down below in the comments and I can make another tips and tricks video sometime in the future. I hope you guys have a great week and I'll see you next week. Hej då!